Okay, so I was saying in my last video that when the person is weighing those balls, the bowling ball has a greater mass because it contains more matter inside. The matter inside this ball is more. So mass can be measured by balance. We told you about this. Coming to density, guys. If you divide the mass of an object by its volume, okay, so it's called as density. I used to remember, let me write here for you all. Wait a minute, girls. Wait a minute. Okay. So here, I just write here. You can remember this, that density. Give me a second. Okay. I don't know what happened to it. Okay, here. Density. How is it coming? Okay. Remember this, girls. Density is mass over volume. This is what I want to say. Yes. Density. When I say D, remember dad. And remember mom. So of course the other one has to be volume. Density is equal to mass over volume. This is what it says here. Density is found by dividing the mass by its volume. You are dividing the mass by its volume, and then you know the density. How much the mass of this ball by the volume of the ball. Okay, that gives you density. So will you all remember, girls, that it is density is actually mass by volume? I'll just write here again. It's not coming. Density equals, okay, density equals mass by volume. All right. So you have to remember this, and with this equation or with this formula, you will never forget the definition of density. That's dad, mom, and V. Dad, mom, and V. D for density, mass, M for mass, mom is mass, and V all are volume. So density is found by dividing, right? By dividing, okay, by dividing volume. The density of the gas in this balloon is less than the density of the air around it. That's why the balloon floats in air. When you say the density of the gas in the balloon is less than the density of the air around it. Of course, and that's the reason it floats. It doesn't, it floats in air. Right? Use the data to find each of the density of the food. They give you mass, they give you volume. What did I say to you? D equals M over V, that is 75 over 100, that's 0.75. There are two zeros, so shift them before two numbers. 0.90 or 0.9, 0.5. This is how you do. You will divide the mass over volume because density is mass over volume. And just remember that it's gram per centimeter cube. So try to write D and V in 3 different colors so that you remember, and note it down in your book and remember this formula forever and ever. Alright, so come to the next page. Let me erase this first. Yeah. Done with this. So density is another physical property of matter.